In today's video, I want us to see how to create a React application using Vite. So on your browser, search for Vite, click on Get Started, scroll down, then on Scaffolding, your first Vite project. So you can either use the npm command yarn pnpm or burn. For this project, I'll be using the npm command, which stands for Node Package Manager. Now, for you to use this one, you need to have Node installed. Check whether you have Node. All you have to do is to use this command. So for me, I'm using Node version 18. If you don't have it installed, you can just go on the search bar and then search for Node. Then you want to click on the first link and then on the download tab. And here you can select the one to download based on your operating system. In my case, I would be using a Linux, but since it is already installed, I'll skip that step. So we proceed to the next step, whereby, and then they say for npm version 7 plus, the extra double dash is needed, these ones here. So for you to check the npm version, just have to type npm -v. For me, I have 9.8.1, so I'll proceed and copy the command. Then back on the terminal, you have to be within the folder that you want to install the React application. In my case, I'll be creating it within the tut directory. So I'll just copy and paste that line, because I'll be creating a React application, not Vue. So I'll change this one to my React app and then press enter. It is already done. So the next thing we need to do is to cd into that folder, enter, then we run the npm install, then open the project using the VS Code. Here is our project. I would like us to have an overview of the few files that we have. We start with the readme.md, and this is basically a markdown file describing the project, and you would often include the setup instructions. Then we proceed to package.json, and this is a file which contains a list of all the dependencies, scripts, and project metadata. For instance, if we install a new dependency, something like npm install react router DOM, you can see it has been added under the list of dependencies. And then we proceed to the index.html. This is the main entry point of the application where the React app is mounted. Then we click on the src folder. This is the brain of the application, which contains all the React component styles and logic. For instance, we have the main.jsx. It is the root JavaScript file that renders the React application inside the index.html. As you can see, we are referencing it here. And then we have the app.jsx. This is the main React components, which is usually acting as the main starting point of the UI, as we will see. And then we also have the public folder. It contains or either stores static files like images, videos, favicons, which are basically served without processing. Now that we have a bird's view of the React application, of course we'll be learning more about these files in our subsequent tutorials, what I want to do is to start the application by running the command npm run dev. Then let us copy that and then paste it on our search bar. There we have it. It's perfectly running. But yeah, that is it for this video. We were just setting up the React application using Vite. I'll be covering more in the subsequent videos. If you liked the video, kindly consider liking, subscribing, and sharing. Thank you.